Welcome everyone. Now in today's video I'll be showing you the process on how you can create a $20,000 USDT free simulated account, which you can see right here on the screen. So this is mine right here, and I'll be showing you steps on how to get it, and also I'll be explaining terms and conditions. So, and also at the end of before the end of the video, you'll be getting a $50 no deposit bonus at the end of the video, which means this video is a combined video. So for those just joining us, kindly subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on notifications. So anytime I drop videos like this, you always get notified so you don't miss out on updates like this. So by clicking on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section after you've actually paid attention to everything I'll be explaining in this video, it brings you right here to this platform having the name like this, COINRYZE. Now if you put in your email address and automatically these numbers will be filled, you click on next, and immediately a code will be sent to your email address you should be needing for verification. You should just need to bring back and use it to verify, and you'll be able to log in into the site just like this. Now having details like this on the screen, you can see full explanation. You can see the first icon right here says calculator, and the second says invite, while the third here says copy trading, and the fourth one says simulation. So once you click on simulation, automatically you'll be getting a $20,000 USDT free simulation account right here. Now you can see what the trades you actually need to trade with. You can see there's BTC USD, and you can also check on other crypto assets you can actually trade on. Now right here you can see that's mine at the top. So let's take a quick dive back to the main menu. Right here you can see right here, for us to actually take a look at the terms and conditions. And to get the terms and conditions, if you click on this icon right here that looks like message where it wrote news, you get to see other details right here showing on the screen. And you can see details about, for those joining, just opening an account, if you deposit and your withdrawal amount, minimum deposit is $5. And you can see details about how much you'll be getting and the reward you'll be getting if you actually make a deposit. And also there's a news about the terms and conditions for the simulated account if you actually trade and meet the requirements. Now I'll actually be doing a fast view of it, so you can just pause the video and make sure you go through the terms and conditions, and make sure you don't miss out on any important aspects of the terms and conditions which you actually need to meet with. Now right here you can see the bonus and the rewards you'll be getting if you actually meet the requirements trading with the $20,000 USDT simulated account. Now all these details right here, like I said, make sure you just pause. You can just pause and take a quick view of the terms and conditions. Make sure you don't miss out on any part. So let's go back to the main menu to check on other important details we need to be aware of about this site. Alright, now back here in the home menu, like I said, home menu right here. So you can see there's the first icon that says calculator. Now this calculator is actually meant to actually help you calculate how much you can actually risk anytime you actually want to trade with the site. Now you can see right here, if you input the amount you actually have as your capital, you click on the calculator and then it gives you details of how much you can actually risk on each trade you actually want to take. Now another important aspect you can actually check out is this section that says BTC28, and you can see by the side there's another section that says, which is also about trading, like you can see just like this, and the other one that says color prediction, it's just like this. Then you can actually just stake on the color based on the color that appears the most. You can see right here the period shows you the color that appears the most. You can just stake on any of the color that actually appears the most, and just make sure you actually use the calculator to actually secure the amount you can risk and the amount you'll be making. Now back to the home menu, for you to be able to stake, you actually need to click on this asset right here and then click on recharge, and then it shows you details like this. So you actually need to recharge your account. It's a minimum of 10 USDT if you're using crypto, and for TRX you get to see the details right there. And if you're using fiat currency for your local currency, you can see for Egypt, you can see you got the details for the minimum right here, and you can just select the country which you're from, and there you get to see the minimum which you need to which you are allowed to deposit. Now you can actually just select the minimum which you want to deposit, or put in the amount into this box right here and then click on next. Now if you actually click on next, you'll be given a bank account details which you need to make payment into. Now right here, this right here is for Egypt, and if you're actually selecting for Nigerians who actually want to make payments, you make sure to select the country where you're actually making payments from and select the amount based on the minimum deposit. So I can see right there, select pay, and then you'll be given the bank details like I said earlier, just like this. Now you can see mine is loading, and by the time it's done loading, you'll be having something like this on your screen. And once you're done making payments, you click on this right here that says I've made payments, and then you go back to the site and you see it will reflect in your balance. And back to the home page, you can click on invite to actually share your link to others, and by inviting them to the site. And also you can actually share this video with them so that they can actually have a clear understanding on what to do in this platform, and how they can actually get the $20,000 free USDT simulated account. And also